I see you, Fred. I know you're watching. What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Mustang Fastback. Guys, check out maplemotors.com for financing, shipping information, all of our inventory. We update every Monday. You can get close to 100 detailed pictures of this car. We got a 351 Windsor under the hood. Aluminum radiator. No power steering on this one. Dual electric fans in the front. Disc brakes in the front. Drum in the rear. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. We post videos every day. This is the test drive video. We got a walk around video pointing out any kind of chips, scratches, flaws around the car. And guess what, guys? It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, look around the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think this horn works? A lot of times the horns don't work on these older cars. You have to get them replaced. This is a 4-speed car. Very nice interior. Back seats have been deleted. Small roll cage has been placed inside the car. Starts up nice and easy, and your tach is coming up. Showing 28,000 miles on the dash. I can't stand behind that. This is a 68 model. Windshield wipers work. See if the blower motor's working. It's not. Horn. We don't have no horn. And radio. Let's see. It's like newer digital radio, but it's not cutting on. It may not be hooked up. We do got aftermarket gauges down here under the dash, and the temperature gauge is not working on this one. Volt gauge is not hooked up, but we got our oil pressure hooked up, and it's right around 55. All right, guys, let's take off. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here, and where they took out the original seats, they put in these aftermarket seats. This side's got the seat belt harness. This side's only got one side of the seatbelt harness, so gonna have to add that to this car. Let's hit the road. Anything I see, I will point out. Plenty of power. We're going straight as an arrow. Steering's nice and tight. Hit the brakes. Brakes are stopping good. Both turn signals are popping up on the dash here. Very low gear ratio. Say 65, 70 is pretty much tops on the interstate. I mean, you can widen it out, but for a long trip, you want to keep it at about 65, 70 mile an hour, which is the speed limit anyway. awesome running down the road. I'm gonna pull in this parking lot here. We're gonna get some outside shots. I'm also gonna do that walk around video that I was telling you about at the beginning here. It's 2 parts. That's why I do 2 videos, because one of them basically 15 minutes and the other one's about 10. So it separates them up. Let you see what you want to see. Look below in the description. You can see all the stuff that I use, like the cameras, the gear. It's all listed. Let's get these shots. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. So far, so good. Our engine temperature's right under 200. It's like 190, 195. Oil pressure is at 55 down there. And I think we're gonna make it back just in time before this rain kicks in. Got everything done on this car. I just did a walk around video too, pointing out any flaws, so check that out for sure. See how short the gears are. You can widen them out, get a lot of power out of this car. Oh yeah, he must be just driving with his foot on the brake. We make a good time here though. As you can see, she's coming. It's getting dark, guys. All right, this is the road with the speed bump on it. Speed bump's coming up right here. Decent suspension. I guess if I was to rate it, I'd probably say a 7 out of 10. We have made it back, guys. I do appreciate y'all riding along with me. We're gonna go ahead and get these cars back in the showroom before the rain hits. Thanks again. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. Check out my website. It's got all the classic cars on the lot on there. That's maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are also available. I want to thank y'all for watching. I want to thank y'all for sharing. And let's get another test drive out. I'm ready to go for another ride.